It's been a year since I haven't worked a 9 to 5, and I've been making pretty good, money now.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and have been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
I'm freaking excited today. I got my first sale.
Hi, my name's John Cestrani, and this is your invitation how to create your own internet business from scratch that creates for you an automated passive online income.
Able to quit my job because of this mastermind beast right here.
And I made 5 commissions.
I just made my first online commission.
If you're still earning an hourly wage or a monthly salary, you probably know something's very wrong. And it's because you're the part of a corporate system that's been designed and rigged against you to take your freedom and your time away from you like a slave. Now, if you'd like to learn how you can finally create the freedom that you deserve and join a community of internet entrepreneurs that are doing the same for themselves and learn how you can create your own online income, then register today. There should be a link below or a box somewhere on this page. See you there.